Hello my beautiful people, and welcome back to a beautiful night in the garden. I've been having a lot of fun doing some of those wandering ring pours with my modular split cup, and I just got some new paint in, a color I have been in love with for a very, very long time and I haven't had for a bit. This is DecoArt's Extreme Sheen in Pink Tourmaline, and I love this color. I'm usually not a pink person, but for some reason that beautiful pink metallic color is just really, really appealing to me, and I really love this one. So I'm very excited to have this color back in stock and to be able to paint with it tonight. So we're gonna have some fun. This is an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. So I have painted the back and the sides and edges and the surface with this beautiful Rustoleum color that I really love, because we're going to do a transparent base coat, another one of those modern, minimal, wonderful ones. So the color we used is this beautiful Rustoleum Metallic Black Garnet, and it is so pretty, as you can see on the canvas. Very shimmery, shiny, metallic, very beautiful, deep, rich color. So I'm really excited about this one. Okay, so we have that Pink Tourmaline from DecoArt Extreme Sheen. This is all mixed pretty thin, not leaving a mound at all, just sinking into itself. This is HOA's Showgirl DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And this one is Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. Okay, then I have over here a tub of my pouring medium, which is also my transparent base coat. This is the consistency of everything. Actually, this looks a little thick, but okay, there you go. Just kind of sinking into itself, not really leaving any kind of mound. Okay, so we're going to lay down a puddle of our transparent base coat. We're going to do some cool things with our colors, and I'm going to tilt it out. Okay. Alright, so we're going to put down a nice puddle of this. That's a lot. Let's stretch that out just a smidge. And maybe torch it as well. Big huge bubble right there. Actually, it looks pretty good bubble-wise. We'll give it a torch anyway. Four bowls. Okay, so we're going to start with some of the pearl yellow. And the reason that I love this color is when it's on top of something really dark, it shows up as a pale gold metallic, but when it's on something lighter, it shows up as this beautiful creamy color. So it's very versatile, and I love using it with the DecoArt 24 karat gold because they are different and you do see a difference. So we're going to start with the pearl yellow. Actually, let me start with the, no, I'm going to start with the pearl yellow. And we're going to kind of do like a rainbow shape almost, but like some interlocking ones. Okay. Haven't done this before. Experimental. We'll see. We're going to take the Pink Tourmaline and go just on the inside of that. Okay, now the 24 karat gold. What's that? The bark train? What was it called? in the Dalmatians movie. Where one
chain,
dog,
the bark chain.
The one dog starts barking up there, and then the one over there answers. The one over there answers. That's what we have going on at night here. It's so
bark
much fun.
chain.
The bark chain. We're going to come in with one more layer of the pearl yellow, not necessarily on top, but kind of in a zigzaggy sort of manner. And that's all we're going to do. Go ahead, make your jokes.
Nope, I know better. You do some weird stuff and it looks amazingly perfect, so.
Okay.
I've learned. Oh, Teddy wants to join the chain.
Yeah, Teddy's over there going, I've been teaching Teddy to say mama. We're going to just put a little bit more of this on the corners and edges, and then we're going to spread that out. And then we're going to tilt. Okay. So the transparent base coat is not thick. It's nice and thin. Moves very easily. It's okay, teddy bear. He's over there going, oh. Okay. All right. I think this is going to be really pretty. Okay. Actually, we're going to anchor it over this side first. Oh, I forgot to torch it. Okay.
Everything that looks white right now is going to be clear.
Except for the pearl yellow, which will be either creamy or gold.
That's not white.
Well, it looks kind of white on here. The reason that we pop all those pesky air bubbles, or try to, is because as you're tilting, they can move around and disrupt your composition, which is no fun, usually. So, pop them. Okay, let's dance. Let's find the way to the paint. We're going to go down this way first and anchor this over the edge and bring it back. And we're just going to walk this down this way, and we're going to just come off the edge here and then pull it back. Now let this just float down. I want to anchor it on the bottom as well. Just like that. Actually, maybe a tiny bit more to get rid of that dot. Right there. Bye-bye. Take this back a little bit. This way. It's okay, Daddy.
He hears the coyotes roaming around.
We're gonna open up this side now. I don't want to lose any of this over here, so I'm going to take it back down. There's not as much pink on there as I thought there would be. No, that's okay.
You can see the pearl.
Yeah. It's kind of simpler than I wanted. But it might look really, really cool. We'll see. I just want to anchor that right over the edge so we can drag it a little bit.
Teddy, no.
You know what I didn't do? I didn't finger paint in it. Okay. We're gonna...
Can you do it now?
Kinda. Okay, we're gonna start again. But I'm gonna leave this here. You think?
You're gonna start again.
I'm gonna start again.
What?
We're experimenting. We're gonna start with another puddle. Because I want more pink in it than that. It's not really enough. It'll be alright.
know that.
Worst case scenario, this stuff shows up through the transparent base, which is also okay with me. I don't think that'll happen, but... Okay. We're going to start with the pink this time. Okay. We're going to do that same thing, but we're going to do bigger lines.
Need more paint.
Hmm? Be fearless, right?
That's right.
Okay.
You don't try, you don't know.
We're just gonna tilt this. Okay. We're gonna go that way first. And we're just gonna hook it over the edge and bring it back. Go back down towards the center. Okay. We're gonna go this way. I'll push that off a little bit. See? It's okay. I kind of like those lines. That's nifty. I'm gonna get rid of this now. You know any stupid jokes I do? Just gonna let that float all the way down to the bottom. And then we're gonna clean up this left side. Just take that edge off. That's kind of cool. I forgot to finger paint it again.
Oh my gosh!
It's a bug. Just tried to land in the painting.
Did you paint with the bug?
Nope. Bug has to go. Spider probably told him to go. Okay. I don't know, what do you think?
Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry.
Oh, it's going to be pretty crazy when it's dry. Because remember, it's on that dark
Yeah.
black metallic garnet. The only thing I kind of want to do, I'm going to take the pink and just kind of pull it with my finger.
Hey, you got the finger paint. It's not a Mina painting unless it's been finger painted.
Okay, I'm going to torch this again, and then I'm going to leave it alone because I really kind of like what's happening here. I love how we ended up with those lines going across. I think that's really pretty, and we have some beautiful parts that are anchored over the edge. There's not as much anchoring as I would like. This is what I really wanted to happen, and this, but this all looks really cool, and if I mess with it, it's only going to disrupt the composition, and I don't think it would get any better. So I'm not going to. I'm going to trust the process and leave this alone and let it dry. And I will show you guys when it is dry, because I think it is going to be really awesome, especially on top of that beautiful dark black metallic garnet. Really, really pretty. So this is cool. Let me turn it around you guys can see it from my perspective. I kind of like that it's not perfect. Cool. Okay, this is awesome. We'll be right back with our dried results.
For some reason those lines are just soft enough that I can't focus on them.
White on white, your favorite thing to shoot.
I know, right?
Okay, here we are a couple days later, and this is dry now. This turned out really interesting. Not exactly what I was going for, but I do really like all of these lines and the colors. I kind of had hoped that the Pink Tourmaline was going to pop more, but I guess because I thinned it out, not quite as vibrant as I had hoped. But we do see the 24 karat gold and the pearl yellow. I hope you guys can see the color difference. Here's that corner that we anchored it, which I really like. This one's came out really neat. HJ, can you do something for us? Maybe that way. This way. To your left. To your left. There you go. There you go. Very cool. Alright, so this was the Rustoleum Metallic Black Garnet as the base coat, and Pink Tourmaline, and 24 karat gold, and some pearl yellow. Pretty cool stuff. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Okay. Thank you very much. You're very funny. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. We'll see you real soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.